y'all, I'm running at I'm basically at like 19 yards, right behind this bench, but right at this bench line is 20. Way out at the 20, and I'm like 2.5 yards behind the 3. So what is called this 19 yards, yo? I feel terrible right now, but y'all want to see hits? Let's get it. Let's see what we got, yo. So I definitely pushed. I rushed that first shot. If y'all can see this first shot is mad low. This is unacceptably low. But second shot, took my time, followed up on it. Bang, right there. Let's shoot some more. It's kind of tiring, yo. This is why I don't want to show hits that'll run back and forth. Getting too old for this. I will say that this RD1 holster feels good, y'all. I don't know if you got you one yet, but you need to get you one, man. Let's run them again. Y'all did the same thing, y'all. Come on, man. Yo, check this garbage out, yo. I did the same thing, yo. Low and in. Hold up, my bad. Y'all see? Low and then in, low and then in. So obviously I am hooking the trigger. At least I'm feeling. So I'm gonna run this third one. I'm gonna run it real slow and see what we get out of that, y'all. It's been one of those nights though. If you're a shooter, you know what I mean by it's been one of those nights. I think both of those were in. Let's see what we got. Let's see where we at. Yes, sir. We are both in. All right, so if y'all can see, first shot right here, second shot right there. Still not real happy with the spread. I'm obviously trying to migrate closer to the 0, but I'm not gonna lie, yo, I don't shoot 19, 20 yards with pistol all the time, you know what I mean? So let's hit this I'm gonna do some slow methodical shots on this next one. I'm really gonna take my time on these shots and see what happens. Take 2, slow and methodical. Let's see what we got. Definitely hooked something on that, y'all. Let's see. All right, so yeah, this was my first shot. This was my second shot. I'm almost certain. I felt the hook on the first one, but we'll see. So these second two, these fifth 2 shots are definitely down 0. Man. Let's look at these real quick, y'all. Just so y'all know that I'm really shooting that far away. So, first shot, first shot, second shot. One more time. One more time, yo. This is kind of getting stupid, man. I'm starting to feel like I'm wasting ammunition right now, man. We're not gonna look at those shots. Conceal your weapon, not your faith. Love y'all. Until next time.